Here's a complete, easy-to-understand guide on how YouTube earnings work, including how much you can earn per view, ad, and video, and how it's all calculated. YouTubers earn money primarily through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, which monetizes content via ads. These ads are placed before, during, or after videos. They also earn through AdSense, ads shown on videos, channel memberships, Super Chat for live streams, YouTube Premium revenue, sponsorships and affiliates, outside YouTube earnings. We'll focus on AdSense earnings, which are the main earnings most asked about. There's no fixed rate per view. It depends on many factors explained below, but here's a general idea. Per 1,000 views general, 50 cents to $6 worldwide average. Per 1,000 views in India, 20 to 150 rupees. Per 1,000 monetized views with ads, $1 to $10 or more. Per view general average, $0.001 to $0.01 per view. Note, not all views are monetized. Usually 40 to 80% of total views have ads, depending on your niche and audience. Ads pay based on two major models. A. CPM, cost per mil, or 1,000 impressions. Advertisers pay YouTube a certain amount per 1,000 views. YouTube shares 55% of this with the creator. CPM varies from $1 to $30 depending on the country. For instance, USA CPM is high, while India is low. The niche also matters. Finance and real estate have high CPMs, whereas entertainment and vlogs have lower ones. Seasonality plays a role too, with higher rates during holidays and sales. B. CPC, cost per click. Some ads pay only if a viewer clicks the ad. You earn a share from that click. CPC ranges from 10 cents to over $2 per click, depending on the niche. Example: if a video has 10,000 views with a CPM of $5, YouTube earns $5 times 10 equals $50. The creator earns $50 times 55%, which equals $27.50. How much per video? Well, it depends on total views, CPM or CPC, viewer demographics, watch time, and engagement. Example estimation, views, estimated earnings. 10,000 views, $5 to $50. 100,000 views, $50 to $500. 1 million views, $500 to $5,000 or more. A finance tutorial with a high CPM can earn $15 to $25 per 1,000 views, while a comedy video may earn just $1 to $3 per 1,000 views. YouTube keeps 45%, creator gets 55%. So if advertisers paid $100 for ads shown on your videos, you get $55. YouTube keeps $45. To join the YouTube Partner Program YPP, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours in the past 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days, no policy violations, linked AdSense account. Factor, effect on earnings. Niche, finance, tech, education equals higher CPM. Country, USA, UK, Canada equals high, India, Pakistan equals lower CPM. Audience age, adults 25 to 44 are more valuable to advertisers. Video length, videos 8 minutes or longer can include multiple ads equals more income. Engagement, likes, comments, and longer watch time boost revenue potential. Other YouTube income sources: non-AdSense, source, description, sponsorships. Companies pay you directly to promote their products, can be $50,000 to $10,000 or more. Affiliate marketing, you promote products with a special link and earn a commission. Merchandise, sell your own branded products. Channel memberships, viewers pay monthly fees for exclusive content. Super chat or super thanks, tips during live videos. When a YouTube Premium user watches your video, you get a share of the premium subscription revenue. This is in addition to ad earnings. Final summary table. Type average earning. Per view $0.001 to $0.01. Per ad click, CPC $0.10 to $2 or more. Per 1,000 views, CPM $1 to $30 before split. Per 1,000 monetized views, RPM $0.50 to $10. Per video, $10,000 to $5,000 or more depending on niche plus views. YouTube share, 45%. Creator share, 55%.